first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix 06NA and Shade EQ, and I am going to separate her front piece, and I do that last. And then I'm going to go in and do her roots, blending it into her ends. And I do it vertically because I find that it blends it better. And it looks more seamless. And I'm doing this also with my Fraymar Big Daddy brush. Okay, so after I do all the roots, I go in with my Wow comb. I saw another stylist from Instagram. That's how I found this comb, Lisa Loves Balayage. She is the one that recommends this. She does it with her balayage, and I find that it blends it very, very well. Now moving on to the front, I love the new Flash Lift with the bonder inside from Redken, and I use 20 volume, and I do very small weave on the front. And I'm using my Fraymar foils with my Fraymar paintbrush, and I just paint on the roots. I don't go all the way to the ends because you don't want to have damage. Seeing as she's already blonde on the ends, we just need to tone that. So I just kind of blend it in. And then with the next section, I'm going to do a slice and pin that back, and then I'm going to do a weave and do the same thing as I did on the last foil. Now at that piece that I left, I am just going to blend it with that root color that I used earlier, this 06NA, and then pin that to the top. And then I do that last little piece with lightener, just so that she has brightness around her face. Usually with the balayage, they want the lighter pieces around their face. Then I put the timer on for 20-25 minutes and let her process. So then I do toning at the sink while the head is wet, not soaking wet, but I make sure to saturate it. And I let it sit for 20 minutes. The good thing with that 10 volume is that it can stay on there longer, and I can thank my friend Alexa who helped me with this color combination.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch.
I really do like the way that it turned out. It's a really, really pretty blend. And all of the warmth came out. I will be doing a tutorial on her makeup in a later video. Stay tuned!